The test of the Xtra Muse. This is the built-in mic with the noise reduction. You can shoot 4K, 3K in vertical, 1080. You can do spin shots. It's got a built-in gimbal. It's very much like the Pocket 3. Different name. You can't use the DJI mics wirelessly, but you can use a receiver with the mics. You get a adapter, tripod adapter. You get a charging cable, a wrist strap, and the camera. It also can connect to the app, so you can control it. Similar to that of the DJI Mimo app, but it's called the Xtra app.